Yeah, great. Okay, so recording is speaker, right?
He's on speaker, yes.
Good. So we'll start. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay. So we'll just start like that, no problem. Okay. So three main sounds are, okay, are, remember, are, okay. You can say it long if you like. It's fine, you can say. And later you learn short, yeah. Okay, you can say or then ha, no problem, yeah, except French. In French they say ha for otherwise ha, ha. So ha. So when you on the mirror, when you say there will be some steam, right, like that. Ha. And now the most difficult one is ah, okay, ah, okay, ah, ha, so these three sounds very, very important for learning Tibetan sound, okay, because they are the endings. And then you see we have 5 vowels, okay. How should I make this? Maybe a little smaller, yeah, okay. 5 Tibetan vowels, okay. In Tibetan we call yang. Right now you cannot, why it's yang. We don't understand this, yeah. And yang gita, the signs, okay. So this is a, i, u, e, o, okay. A, i, u, e, o. A has no sign. When you mix with consonant, then we don't have this, yeah. We don't write this, okay. Then E, when you mix with consonant, then you see only this is written, okay. And then U is underneath, so only this is written. A on the top here, so they are on the side. You see, it's on the side. See, so you when you end, it should go at the end of this. U also here, A, but O is in the middle, you see, in the middle. So you write in the middle here, middle of the consonant, okay. So remember this. And then this is where the Tibetan consonant come, okay, in between. So you see, remember this, okay. So a, I, u, e, o, a, I, u, e, o, okay. And now here, let's check here, it's same. So then we have names for this, signs. It's called kigu. This sign is called kigu. You can write kigu in your language, kigu. And this underneath sign is called shapyu, 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 okay. Shap actually means bottom, yeah, the leg also, shapyu. And dengbu, dengbu. So this stroke is called dengbu. And the last one is na, ro, naro. So these are the names. Okay. Kiku, Shapkyu, Dengbo, Naro. So just names, yeah. So this is called, what is this? This is a sign, but the sound is E. This is U. And this is A, A, and this is O. So whenever you see this sound, this is what we see. Don't confuse with the side and sound, yeah. Sound is what you hear, okay? And side is what you see. So when you see this represent E, U, A, O. But if you want to write vowels by itself, then we write like this: A, E, U, A, O. Okay. So now we'll, if you could write, then I think it's very good. So you watch how A is written. Okay.
Where do we watch?
You don't see?
Where I is written. Do you see
Okay.
everybody or is it just me?
Let's go.
Now
Everybody
we
can see
see.
now.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now it's not working. What happened? Oh, oh, stopped working.
The
My
video?
computer, my computer stopped working.
Okay. It's okay.
What happened? Okay, doesn't matter. We will, we will do like this. I already prepared something. Can you see?
Yes.
I prepared something, but I cannot, you know. So anyway, let's say this is like this. I prepared something, but it's already gone. Yeah.
Okay.
So now if you want to write, you say draw, yeah, like this. So first you little bit, and then here also, and then like this, yeah. And then you put like this,
Mm.
little bit. That's how you write. Okay. So remember this. Anyway, I will give you PDF, and you will see. Okay. So you write yourself. Suddenly everything just disappeared. I don't know. Screen share. There's nothing. How should I do now?
Maybe
Yeah.
close the.
Yeah. Wait,
Yeah.
wait. Here.
Okay.
Okay. So in the beginning, here. So you see, yeah. Later I will give you this PDF. So that's how I is written here. Okay. Like this way. So you can write this first and this second, and then from here you go and make like this, and then you put it straight down, and then you put like this. So you can watch the video also. Okay. So now you want to put E, then it's on the top, first close this, then like this, center. If you want to write underneath, then you write like this and it goes up. Okay, good. And then if you want to write A, okay, then it's same here, side here. And then, oh, if you want to write O, so we have lost, O is here at the center here. So it's like the wing. Okay, so beautiful ones here. You can look here and like that. Okay, you will have this PDF. Good. So remember this. Okay, so we learn A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. So let's check. Okay, maybe Alex, you start. Can you read?
Yes.
Yes.
I read the letters.
The letters, yeah.
A, I, U, E, O.
Okay, very good. Can you read reverse?
O, E, U, I, A.
Okay, very good. Okay, Ani Pedula,
Yes.
can
A,
you read?
yes. A, I, U, E, O.
O,
O,
make it round. O,
O.
not like English O. It's not English O. Okay. O,
O.
O. Good. Yes. Bravo. Yeah. Then Pedro this Alex Dix. Yeah. Sergey.
A, I, U, E, O.
Bravo. Week. Week.
A, A qui cu I, A sa Q, A Chimbo, Avanaro.
Okay. So Ngawan Doji is the same. Ngawan Doji. Ngawan Doji. Okay. So it's very good. So when you see, okay, so this is easy, okay? A, I, U, E, O. Now, how do you say A, I, U, E, O when you mix with the consonants, okay? So then you see, when you mix this with the masculines, no problem. It's still A. Okay, let me use this chart, yeah. But if you say ka, so ka plus a, then the a becomes ha sound. Okay, it's not ka, no, it's not ka, no. Ka plus a is ka. So ka, a sound becomes ha sound. But you mix here with the ka, then a sound becomes ah. Okay, so it's not ka, it's not like that, or not ka, not like that. It's ka, sound. Okay, ka, understood? Ka, like that. And nga same, it's same, yeah, sound. Okay, so that's why. So this sound comes, okay? So now we already know a, I, U, E, O sound. Now we'll say ha, he, hu, he, ho. Okay? Ha, he, hu, he, ho. And then you read ha, he, hu, he, ho. Ha, he, hu, he, ho. Okay, Alex, you start.
Yes.
Yeah, read all, yeah.
I start.
All,
Huh?
all 15, all 15, read all 15.
All 15. So masculine, right? Is the masculine first one?
No, just sound, yeah, first.
Yeah,
Masculine
okay,
sound, ending sound, you can say, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
A, I, U, E, O. Ha, he, hu, he, ho.
Very good. This one, read again.
Ha, he, hu.
Good. Then,
A, I, U, E, O.
Not very clear. Okay, again, remember. E, U, E. Oh, again.
A.
Slowly. Very good.
E. U.
No, no,
E.
no. This still difficult. Ooh.
U.
Yes.
E.
E.
E. O.
No, it's still, you see, you're going towards this sound, yeah? So this is difficult, okay? First say,
A.
then E.
E.
Okay. This may become, you see, ya sound, like Y, you know? No, it's not Y sound, okay? This is E. Don't touch your tongue.
E.
E. Then,
E. U.
okay?
E.
Okay?
O.
Okay, learn like long, but later you can say e, o. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Anila indah. Ani bedula.
Yes. A, I, U, E, O. Ha, Hi, Hu, He, Ho.
Again, this one.
Ha, Hi, Ha, Hi, Hu, He, Ho.
Okay, last one.
A, I, U, E, O.
Okay. Yeah, this is difficult sound. Don't worry, you will get used to it. Okay. Next, Sergey.
A, I, U, E, O. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. A. I, U, E, O.
Yes, this is difficult. Okay. Again, you did
Ah.
well. And then same is the but you know, you just changed it. E. Don't touch your tongue. E.
I,
Then again, ooh, don't touch. Ooh.
U,
Good sound. E.
E,
Then O.
O.
Now say all.
A, I, U, E, O.
Good. Later you make it short. Okay. Yeah, weak.
A, I, U, E, O. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. A, I, U, E, O.
Bearable. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now we understand this sound. Okay. This sound important. Okay. So now here, same. Now when we mixed, you see, for example here, ka, you know, so ka plus a, why it's not coming? Ka, then it becomes ka, yeah. Yeah, it's coming, yeah. Okay, then it, when you see this, that's what you see, but there are two sounds. Okay, ka and a sound mix. Ka. So to produce a sound, you need a vowel. Otherwise, you cannot. Okay, so like ka, like ka. Okay, ki, like ki. You know, in English you write like this, yeah. Then k, a, I, u, or k, a, e, or k, o, like that. Okay. But in Tibetan, you don't use this. You see, we put on the top. Because ka inherently is the I is there. Ka. Now you want to put ka plus e. Okay, ka plus e. Let's make it bigger. Ka plus e. Okay, then it's ki. Then ka plus u, it's ku. So So you put underneath, yeah. Ka plus A is K, like that. Okay, and Ka plus O is O. You can see that. Okay. Understood? So that's how the vowels work. Okay. Any questions? If unclear, just let me know. You can stop anytime, okay? Now you see the first set, the first 5 set, they follow the same rule, okay? First 5 set. So first set, remember, it's coming from the throat, the place of articulation. And the articulator is, you see, is different, okay? So here, first set, all from the throat, and then the root of the tongue, okay? That's how it works. So we go down here, okay? So now if you say, first you learn like this, you say, ka, you this sound, ka. You see, you hear a sound, right? Ka. Then this one, now you don't need to remember this, you see, you just say, ka. So you can say, ka, ha sound, ka. You see, now a sound comes, ka, ka. And now this is same, but you know, it's coming from the nose, okay? So we call it nasal. So maybe I'll use this, yeah? Nasal sound. So nasal sound 4, okay? Nga. So if you close, nga, you cannot say nga sound because it's coming from the nose as well as from the mouth. Nga. See, a sound. Nga. So first say long, ka, 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 nga, like that. Okay, Alex.
Okay, ready? Everybody's gonna laugh.
No problem.
Ka, right? Ka. Ka.
Again, from the beginning.
Ka.
Good,
Ka.
good,
Ka.
good.
Nga.
Very good. Very good. Bravo.
Okay.
Now, first you exaggerate to say this. You see, you remember these 3 sounds we learned in the beginning. So remember this, yeah? All masculine, you use a sound. In the color, in the blue, is a masculine. And yellow is neuter, and the rest is feminine, okay? So all masculine end with a sound. All neuter ends with ha sound. Rest end with a sound. So remember this, okay? So it's actually very easy to say. You just remember how to say ka. It's coming from here, right? You just remember ah, ha, ah. You know, ka, ka, ka. You don't need to, you know, you just end with ah, ha, ah, like that, okay? Pedula. Ani pedula.
Yes. Ka, 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 na.
Very good. Again, try again.
Ka,
Try to say long with a sound.
ka,
Long, ka.
ka,
Very good sound.
ka,
Good.
ka,
Okay.
na.
Very good sound. Okay. First, you learn long sound so that you will differentiate. Aha. Ka. You see, a sound comes. Ka. I'm saying
Ka.
right?
Ka,
Then ka. At the end is the ha. Ka. Then you say ka. You know, ha. A sound comes. And nga. Nga. So tongue This has no role in the first set, okay? Ka, 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 nga. You see? Ka, 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 nga. You see, my tongue is not moving. Ka, 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 nga. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Sergey.
Ka, 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 nga.
Again.
Ka, 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 nga.
Okay, how will you differentiate this and this? You say this.
Ka, ka.
No, no, not this one.
Ka,
No, no. You differentiate. You read this and this.
ka, ka. Ka,
Ah,
ka.
ka. Okay. Ka. Again, read again from the top.
Ka,
Yeah.
ka, ka, nga.
Okay. Keep your mouth open like this. Huh? Then you say ka, ka,
Ka,
ha, nga like that. Wait. Open your mouth. Don't close. Okay. Again.
ka, ka, nga.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay, Wig.
Ka, 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 nga.
Bravo. So you have another two sounds. Yeah, you have two sounds. Okay, next. Now here you already know ka 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 nga. Now you put this sound. We learned this sound, right? E, u, e, o. So you can mix this sound now. Okay. So everyone will read like this. Yeah. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Okay. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Here. So you already, now you can read this. Yeah. Okay, we'll start with week. Slowly you read, yeah?
Ka, ki, ku.
No. You have two sounds. Wait, yeah, you close that. Okay, Sergey, you read.
Okay.
Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko.
No. You already going to ha sound. Remember the main sound is, main sound here we learned. Now you use this sound, okay? Because it's masculine. So you end with this. A, I, O, E, O. End with this sound. At the end, when you say the sound, you should end with this, okay? Again.
Ka, ki, ku, ke,
No, it's become a he sound. Ke, e.
ke.
Then
Ko.
good sound. Again.
Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko.
Yeah, this is fine. Next. This sound, this sound. Ending.
Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko.
Oh. And
Nga, ni, ngu, nge, ngo.
very good. Now this still not clear. Okay, the masculine. Again, remember it's very, make your throat tight. You say it again.
Ka.
No.
Show me.
Ending. No, ending is a sound. You just say ah.
Ah,
Now say this.
ka,
Good. Then
ki,
good.
ku.
No. Who is this? Yeah. End with this.
What's the difference?
Difference. Difference. Very good question. What's the difference between this? What is the difference between these two?
One is U, the other is who.
Who, right? Good. So now here, what is this?
U,
U.
Who.
So here that's U, right? Ka
Yeah.
plus U is
ku,
U. Good. And this one?
ku,
And this one?
ku.
Okay. And this one?
I don't see it.
Nga.
Ngu.
Ngu. Okay. Oh my God. My computer starts. Okay. Now here, remember this. I'll read here. Ka. I'm saying this sound here. You see three main sounds here. There's a, ha, ah, we learned. To extend, we have 5 sounds, okay? So 5 sounds are here. So ka, ki, e sound here. Ku, ke, I'm saying that. Ko, I'm still saying this. So ending, you see, ending is very, very important for the pronunciation, okay? Ending. How do you say ka, ki, ku, ke, ko? So this is a masculine sound. It's very strong. Okay, you got it? Children. Ani Petula?
Yes. Ka,
Slowly read, okay?
ka, ki, ku, ke, ko.
No, these two, no. You're reading almost like this sound, yeah?
Mhm.
Okay, so don't forget these 5 sounds.
Yes. I was reading this.
Yeah, again,
Ka, ki, ku, ke,
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 ke, ke,
ke, and ko.
ko.
Okay, now read again.
Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko.
More. This almost reading like this. Yeah, remember, oh.
Ko.
Okay, now read.
Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko.
Okay, now remember ah sound, yeah?
Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko.
Okay.
Nga, ni, ngu, nge, ngo.
Okay. How about the Alex? Yeah, Alex in the.
Yes.
Yes.
So, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Na, ni,
Don't touch your tongue. Nga.
nga, ni, ngu, nge, ngo.
Again.
Nga, ni, ngu, nge, ngo.
Okay, if you cannot pronounce this, it's fine. We don't have any Tibetan letters, okay? No, nga, kigu, there's no words in Tibetan. So anyway, so very good, everybody, very good, yeah? So remember now how it works, right? You understand how it works?
Yes.
Everybody clear? See, this sound is very, very important for the pronunciation. So I will send you if you are in the group, I will send you the recording. Everybody is in the group, right? Yeah. Alex, everyone is in the group?
Oh, sorry, I was speaking without the microphone. I just put the link to the Telegram group in the chat. Please join it if you can have Telegram. If you cannot, I have to contact you with email. So I send you all the information. Thank you.
Okay. So again, we practice this, yeah? Now here, ah, if you want to say short, ah, okay? If you want to say long, ah. So it's clear, distinctive sound, okay? Then ha, 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 okay? Next, the most difficult sound. I think this is the only letter in no other languages have. This is ah, ah, okay, ah, short, ah, or ah. So ah, ha, ah. With the same strength, you see, it just automatically becomes, you know, you cannot say ah like ah. You cannot say ah, like it's very difficult to say. So it just goes down. Ah, ha, ah, ah, ha, ah. So here, excuse me. So here, ka, 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 nga. So when you learn like this. Aha, ah, aha, ah. Okay, when you learn alphabet, you learn like that. Aha, ah. So how do you say? Kaka, kanga. Kaka, kanga. Kaka, kanga. Aha, ah. Aha, ah. Kaka, kanga. Kaka, kanga. Okay. Yeah, you want to try this? Everybody will say aha, ah, aha, ah. Okay, once, and then you say kaka, kanga, like that. Okay, Alex.
But I don't understand. I hear this before. I don't understand. So aha is this masculine, then neutral, right?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
and
You
then
say aha.
yeah.
These three sound, right? You're saying what you're reading is aha, ah. This you say twice.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Because
Aha.
we have three. Yeah. Aha.
Aha. Ah. This.
Okay. Now read set one.
Kaka. Kaka. No. Kana.
Again.
Kaka.
Wait. Where's a sound here in the beginning?
Kaka.
You say kaka. Kaka.
Kaka.
Kanga.
Kana.
Nga.
Nga. Nga.
Again.
Kanga.
Again.
Kanga.
All.
Kaka. Kanga.
Again. Very good. Again.
Kaka. Kanga.
Now say the top one.
Ha.
No.
Ah, no. Aha. Ah.
Aha. Ah.
Aha. Ah.
This no nasal here in the beginning. Yeah. Aha. Ah.
Ah.
Okay. Now read set one.
Kaka. Kanga.
Open your mouth and say again.
Kaka. Kanga.
Don't do like this. No, just keep it open. Yeah, like this. Kaka. Kanga. I'm not moving. Kaka, like that. Just keep it open and say again.
Okay. Kaka.
No.
Kanga.
First is wrong.
Kaka. Yes.
Keep it open.
ka, ka, kanga,
Kaka, kanga.
kaka, kanga.
Very good. Now learn this. Okay. Betul lah, ni betul lah.
Aha. Ah. Kaka. Kana.
Last one, kanga.
Kana.
Again,
Kana.
no tongue.
Kana.
Nga.
Na.
Nga.
Kana.
Good. Now say again.
Kana.
All.
Aha. Ah. Kaka. Kana.
No. Last one, you're still moving your tongue.
Kana.
Remember, it's the root of the tongue. Okay? Root of the tongue, not the tip. Tip, if you move, then if you touch, it becomes na sound, n sound. Okay? Very good. You well now, Sergey?
Aha, kaka, kanga,
Yeah, good, good. Kaka, kanga, kanga.
kaka, kanga,
Good. Wig. Wig, are you there? Okay, he's not there.
Sorry.
Okay.
Aha. Ah. Kaka. Kanga.
Very good. Okay. So now it's easy, right? Then you practice, key. If you want to practice only 1 plus 5 vowels, and then you say ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. That you learn yourself. Or you can read kihi, kiki, kingi. That's E sound. Then if you want to put U sound, kuku, kungu. E sound, keke, kenge. Okay? Then wait a minute. O sound, koko, kongo. So you use the pattern. First is A, right? Then E, A, I, U, E, O. You can use the pattern, but don't lose the main sound. Remember this main sound. Main sound is only 3. If you extend, then here 5 sound, here 5 sound, here 5 sound. The ending is very, very important. Yes, Vic, what's your question?
The masculine is blue, while the feminine is pink, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Why they call masculine?
Because they are very arrogant. And because they are very emotional. And this is super emotional, And this I don't care letter. This is my nickname, okay? You will understand this later, okay? Masculine, they are hard-headed, very, very hard-headed, arrogant. I don't care. This is emotional, and this is very emotional, okay?
Okay.
So this is my nickname. But in terms of the strength, when you say the sound, you see this is very loud, okay, and this is neutral. Then it become lower, 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 lower like that, okay. You see, ka, ka, ka. However you say strong, then it will never stronger than ka. Ka. Then next is ka. Next ka. And then nga. You see, it becomes smaller. In terms of graph, it will go down like this. Okay, go down. Because you produce more air. First, less air. Then more air. more air, and this is the not only coming from the mouth, but it's also coming from the nose. So you produce a lot of what do you call it? Air, like pipe. You know, if you have pipe, you see, if you make it tight, then less water will come. Then if you open more, you know, you see, like that. You see?
More low vibrations.
Yes. So when you press the pipe, you see the water will go very far away. You know, and then you the water same stand of water comes. You know, same air comes from our mouth, okay, from the pipe, but when it's just a pressing, you see. So you see tight, loose, loose, more loose. Okay. Am I making sense?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Any other questions? Next round is set 2. Yeah. A break or not? What time is it?
It's,
Oh,
in
okay.
10 minutes we make a break or now?
Okay. Oh, we'll continue. Next is here, the second. So coming from palate, yeah, above the tip. Then the articulator is close to the tongue tip. So you touch this. This, not the tip, yeah. This, you touch the palate. Everybody touch? Okay? Prepare. Don't touch the teeth. Okay? Now you say, cha.
Cha,
Cha sound, remember? Cha.
cha.
Cha sound. You can make it long. Cha. Then next is ha sound. Same place, cha. Same place, you say cha. Same place, you say nya. Okay? Cha. So look here. Cha, 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 nya. See? Cha, 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 nya. So I'm just saying ah, ha, ah, right? Cha, 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 nya, like that. Okay, Alex,
Yes.
put your first find the place.
Cha. Cha, cha, nya.
Very good. Okay. Better laugh.
Cha, 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 nya,
Again.
cha, 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 nya.
Okay, Yabo. Next, Sergey.
cha, 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 nya,
Okay, Yabo. Yeah. Wig.
Cha, 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 nya.
Is Ngawan Tuji wig or it's you, right?
Yes, it's just because of sound. I don't have sound on my side.
Okay, okay. Good.
That's for sound.
Okay. So you see, it's easy, right? So now you learn to say aha, ah, like cha-cha, cha-nya, cha-cha, cha-nya. You say cha-cha, cha-nya. Aha, you in English you say aha, right? So it's same here. Aha, ah, cha-cha, cha-nya. Okay, Vic.
Cha-cha, cha-nya. Cha-cha, cha-nya.
Good. So you stress on the ah in the feminine because later you will understand this. Okay. Cha cha chanya.
Cha-cha, cha-nya.
Good. Sergey.
Cha-cha, cha-nya.
Bravo. Sergey.
cha, 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 nya, cha, 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 nya,
Don't break. Cha cha, cha nya,
cha cha, cha nya,
cha nya.
cha nya,
Good. Anila.
Cha-cha, cha-nya.
Good. Alex.
Cha-cha, cha-nya.
Good. You see, you're expert already. You okay? Don't worry. You see, the sound right now. Sound is important. Okay. Next is, you see now, step 3. Step 3, it come from teeth, upper teeth. Okay, and then tip of the tongue. Now you use this tip. Yeah, this you touch the upper, like this. Try to touch. Okay. Then now you say, okay, we'll use this. Yeah. Ta. You see, don't forget. Ta. Ta. First long, yeah, with a sound. Ta. Then you say, don't worry about this. You just say same position, but you say ha. Ta. Next position. Ta. Is the ending ta. And then na. Okay. Find. Ta. 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 Na. You see, you're just saying the three sounds. Okay. Maybe we start with Anila.
Ta, 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 na.
Good. Next, Sergey.
ta, 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 na,
Good. Alex.
Ta, 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 na.
Good. Vic.
Ta, 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 na.
Good. Now everybody will say, aha. Ah, okay. Tata. Tana. Remember, aha. Ending. Tata. Tana. Alex.
Ta, 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 na.
Very good. Pattern.
Ta-ta, ta-na.
Good. Sergey.
ta ta, ta na,
Again, ending. And this Tana. Tana.
ta ta, ta na,
Good. Okay. Vic.
Ta, 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 na.
Okay, so you see, it's easy, right? Now, step 4 is very easy, just lips, yeah? It's coming from the lip, okay? It's coming from the lip, and the, you see, the articulator is also lips, okay? So lips. But don't suck in your lips, yeah? Don't do like this. Pa. Don't, just close, okay? Pa, a sound. Pa. Now just say ha. Pa. And pa, and ma. Okay, pa, pa, ma, and then next you read papa, ma. Okay, so we start with Vic. 2, you read individually and together.
Pa, 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 ma.
Okay,
Pa, 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 ma.
papa,
Pa, 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 ma.
ma. Good. Yes, Sergey.
pa, 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 ma, pa
Okay,
pa, pa ma,
papa, ma.
pa pa, pa ma,
Okay. Ani better lah.
Pa-pa, pa-ma.
Okay, individually.
Pa, pa, ma.
Okay, yeah, Alex.
Pa 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 ma.
Individually?
Pa 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 ma.
Good. Now last set here, it's set 5. Now set 5, remember here. Set 5 is here, right? So not this one, yeah. The first 3, it's palate and teeth, and very close to the tongue tip. So you put this, not the tip, yeah. This, you have the teeth here, right? Teeth, oh, very bad here, teeth here. So you put in between, yeah. Okay, so find the place first. Okay, I found the place. Okay. Now you say, 炸 individually. 炸 cha cha. This is not ja, okay? Cha 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 cha. Ah ha ha. Cha cha cha. Alex.
Ta ta ta.
Very good, very good. Next pattern.
Huh?
Pattern.
Cha, cha, cha,
Again.
cha, cha, cha.
Okay, cha, not ja, okay? It's not Z. It's cha.
Cha,
Okay. Yeah, Sergey.
cha, cha, cha.
Okay, Vic.
It's not easy not to read the final not as za.
It's okay. You try.
Ca, ca, ca,
Very good. Yes, that's the sound. Cha, very good.
ca.
But if you cannot say cha, it's fine because only this sound, maybe we have maximum 10 words, yeah? And most of the words coming from Z sound, okay? So it's fine, okay? Now this is wa, wa, okay? It's same like W, wa, like what, wa. So now everybody will read like this. Cha cha, cha, wa. Okay, so this completely different. Cha cha, cha, wa. Cha cha, cha, wa. Okay, yeah, wait.
Ca, 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 wa. Ca,
Good,
ca, ca, wa.
very good, Sergey.
Cha cha, cha wa.
Good, Alex.
Ta 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 wa.
Good, Pelton.
cha, 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 wa.
Good. You see, now you already know this. You don't need to memorize all this, yeah? You memorize only this. And then you end the same with ah ha ha. So here you see, if you know how to say ka, rest is very easy because its only difference is ha ha, right? So ka, 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 nga, like that. Okay? Ka, 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 nga. It's so easy. Okay, so we'll have a break. So when you come back, I will show you maybe this or this, and then you can easily, say the sound. Don't worry about if you right now you cannot recognize. It doesn't matter. Sound matters. Okay. Okay. Take a break. Okay. Now you remember, so we'll do like this. Yeah. No need others. Yeah. So first is ka. Okay. So rest, you can just, say the sound with ha, ha, ha. Okay. So for example, if I say ka, ka, next is ha, ka, next is a, ka, next is nga, right? It's also a. So next is nga, ka, 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 nga. You just remember a, ha, like that. Okay. Yes, Alex,
Yes.
you remember this sound, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ka.
Now rest.
Ka. 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 Nga.
Good. And next, continue.
I try without looking my notes.
Remember this.
Cha. Cha.
Good. Now rest is important, yeah?
Cha. 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 Nga.
No tongue.
Na.
You're touching the tongue to the roof. Don't touch.
Nga. Nga.
Which one? Cha 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 nya.
It's nya. Okay.
Don't change. Don't change. Okay, same position here. Remember the position of the second is this and the roof only, yeah? So once you know cha, don't worry about this. Same, hit same. Cha, 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 nya. Like that. Cha, 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 nya. Okay.
Okay.
Say again.
Cha. No. Cha. 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 Nya.
Yes, now.
Ta. Right.
Good.
Yeah.
Right. Ta. Now next, don't worry. Yeah. Ta.
Ta. Ta. Ta. Cha.
Cha. Do you see you changed? Why are you changing?
I change what?
Ta, 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 na.
It's now. Okay.
You see, when you don't need to change, don't write. No need to write. You remember ta, 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 na. Ta, 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 na.
Na.
Okay, next, lips.
Pa.
Mhm.
Pa. Pa.
No. It's ha sound.
Pa. 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 Ma.
Okay, it's lips. Pa, 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 ma. Ah, ha, ah. Next is the palate. Remember, palate and teeth. Yeah, yeah. Find the place. Yeah.
I can't remember. Sa.
Yes, you don't need to remember. You just say here. Za.
Yeah. Is it like Tsalung? Sa?
Yes, Zalung, yes, za.
Sa. 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 No. Sa. 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 Wa.
Yeah, Y is different, right? Okay. Next, who wants to do next? Nobody? Okay, you go with Sergey.
Ka. 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 Nga.
Okay.
Cha. 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 Nya.
Good.
Ta. 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 Na.
Good. Lips.
Pa. 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 Ma.
Good. Palate and teeth.
Ca. Ca. Ca.
And lip.
Wa.
Good. Okay. Now next lady again. Peldon la. Peldon, any Peldon?
Yes. Ka. 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 Na.
Same position. Everything is same. Open, yeah. Ka, 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 nga.
Ka. 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 Na.
Yeah, it's ah, ha, ah, right? Then
Ka. Ka.
no. This and palate, no touch the teeth.
Cha.
Good.
Cha. Cha. nya,
Yeah, nya. Okay, cha 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 nya. Next. Now tip and tit.
ta, ta, ta,
N.
na,
Na. Ta 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 na. Lips, only lips.
ta, 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 na,
Lips. Ma ma.
ma,
Okay. Now this teeth and palate at the center.
ta, 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 wa,
Y is completely different. Okay. Wa. Wa we don't touch. Yeah. No. About to touch. Yeah. Wa. Like what? Okay. Good. Last one week.
Ka, 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 na. Double sound. Cha, cha, ja, na. Ta, ta, ya, na. Pa, 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 ma. Ca, ca, za, wa.
Okay. And not so clear, but it's okay. Yeah. Now remember here this. You can learn like this. Ka, cha, ta, pa, za. You learn like that individually. Okay. We usually say kacha tapa cha nampo. Kacha tapa cha nampo. We have a word like kacha tapa cha. They are masculine. Ka, cha, ta, pa, cha. You should learn to, you see, end with this. Individually learn, okay? Now this careful. This is not GA. Don't write GA, okay? Don't write JA. Don't write DA. Okay, do not write BA. If you write, then you will always make mistake, okay? This you must, don't write ZA. Okay, so this is not ga, this is ka, ka. This is not ja, this is cha, like tea, cha, cha, cha. Okay, ka, cha. This is not the. This is tha, very light, tha, tha. This is not ba. This is pa, pa. This is cha, cha. Okay, so two sound you will learn. Okay, ka, ga. We'll learn this sound later. Ka, ga, two sound. Cha, ja, two sound. Tha, da, pa, ba, cha, za. Okay, there are two sound each, so you differentiate this. Okay, this is no problem you have in English and other languages, you can say, but this is typically Tibetan sound. Okay, so you say two sounds each. Okay, Alex?
Two sounds, you mean any?
Yes. This sound is G, ga, J, ja, right? G, ja.
From
This
the
you have.
family.
So
Okay.
do say
Ka, ga. Cha, ja.
okay.
Ta, no, ta, da.
Good.
Pa, ba.
Good.
Sa, za.
Good. Okay. Anila.
ka, ga,
Ka,
ga,
ka, ga. Yeah, ga you have like gun. Yeah.
ka, ga,
Then
cha, ja, ta, da, ta, ba, cha, no, cha, za,
touch teeth
Ja.
and palate. Ta.
ta, za,
Okay. Sergey.
Ka, ga. Cha, ja. Ta, da, ba, ba, za, za,
Very good. Weak.
Ka, ga, cha, ja, ta, da, ba, ba, sa, za.
Bravo. So in the future, you see, in we will learn. Right now, you're saying, you see, you should differentiate, yeah, because this is there may be a letter on the top in the future, okay, or in front. So it's same here. Wherever you find a letter on the top or in front, okay, on the top or in front, okay, on the top in front, they become the second sound, okay? If it's alone, then it's kha. If there's something in front or on the top, the kha becomes ga. So it's same rule, okay? Everybody got? Now here, this is nasal. It's very emotional, okay? These 5. So now here, they may be a letter on the top or in front, on the top or in front, okay? On the top, in front, you see this, yeah? Or in front. Then these 4 letters become super excited, okay? And then you should end it with a sound, not a anymore, okay? So it becomes like masculine, okay? So we learn this. Nga, nga. Same here, position. Nga, nga. A sound. Nga is a, right? Nga, nga. A sound. Nya is a, nya, nya. A sound. Na, na. Na, na. Ma, ma. Okay. Nga, nga. Nya, nya. Na, na. Ma, ma. Okay. So, yeah. Sergey.
I have a little trouble here. I press something and the screen is very small for me now. I can see it.
Okay.
Oh no.
We do again. We do again, yeah? You see now?
Yes.
Okay, so we have 4 nasal. Nasal means coming from the nose, yeah? Okay. 2 sounds, yeah?
I missed it.
Oh, you listen, okay. Maybe Alex.
Okay. Nga, nya. No.
Nga, nga.
Wait, this is difficult.
Difficult, yeah.
Nga.
Ending with the a sound. Right
Okay.
here. Nga is loose, right? Nga, nga.
Nga, nga, nga,
Good,
nga.
good, good. Yeah, nga.
Nya. No.
Yes, yes.
Nya.
Nya,
Nya.
nya, nya.
Nya. In Greek, that's the sound of the cats. Meow, meow. Okay. Nya. Nya.
Good.
Na. Na.
Okay.
Ma.
Lips.
Ma.
Yes, ending is a. Remember, ending. The second sound is ending is not a.
But this is if there are some other signs on top or on
In
the
front.
left.
In front. Okay, it's same, yeah.
Front.
So that's why remember this is emotional. It changed. This is super emotional, yeah, because now it become high, very high. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now next maybe weak.
Nga, nya, nya, na, ma, ma.
Good. Bedouin.
na, nya, nya, na, na, ma, ma,
Okay, very good. Yeah. Sergey?
A, nga, nga, nya, nya, na, ma, ma.
Fair. Usually when I teach in India, when I say higher sound, they say nga, nga. They use the head, So in your case, you are doing like this, nga, nga, using your eyes. So nothing to do with this. It's just a sound, yeah. Nga, nga, nya, nya, na, na, ma. Okay. So you all did very well. See here, we already learned here. So here you see this masculine and neuter, anything here usually you see on the in front only. There's no letter on the top. But here it's same as others, you see. There's something on the top, they in front. So it never change, it's still ka. Here no change, it's still ka. But here anything in front on the top, then it become more low, it become more low. Okay. And here, okay, anything in front, it go up. Okay. So now you have already learned how many? We cancel this one. So 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19. Then again 20, 21, 22, 23, 23 plus 28 sounds. You already learned 28 sounds. Okay, 28 sounds. We have 54, right? 54. From 54, you already learned 28 sounds. So if you want to learn, then you say ka, ka, ga, nga, nga. Okay. Ka, ka, ga, nga, nga. Okay. Then cha, cha, ja, nya, nya. Ta, tha, da, na, na. Pa, pa, ba, ma, ta, cha, za, za. Then we also have wa, like that. Okay. Any questions?
Yes.
Yes, then ask.
What is the what is the ga, ja, da, ba, za? It's just like intonation.
You can say that, yeah. But you see, we have sound. I'm teaching sound, right?
Okay.
So for example, if we go, we will learn later, but I'm just doing very fast.
Yes, that's nice.
For example, here, you see, we have ka, nga, we learn, yeah? So now here, there's a ka here, but there's a letter here, right? You see there is a letter in front, here, ka in front. Here also nga here, but there's a letter in front.
Yes.
So now you should end with a. So 6 sound here. No change, masculine. Hard-headed, remember? No change. It's same, cha. Now this one, cha, it's, you see, change to low tone because there's letter in front.
Yeah.
So 6 sound, okay? So you have now some idea, but we will learn this later, okay?
Okay.
Good, so up to 6 set, it all works, So we'll learn this, no problems, okay?
Okay.
Any other questions? Ask questions if you are not clear, so that you will, okay, oh, I'm confused,
This is all the consonants.
Consonants, yeah. So we already learned 5 vowels, a, I, u, e, o, and then 5 sets, yeah?
There is more consonants, or that's all the
Wait. We first will finish this, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Rest is it's okay. So we learn kaka kanga, chacha chanya, tata thana, papa pama, chacha chawa. We learn this, okay? So now everybody will read from the beginning. Who wants to start? I'll make it bigger. Okay. Up to set like this, yeah? It's clean, right? Who wants to start?
I want to start.
Hey, Abo. Okay, don't remember this. You see, this in this. This is very important. You must end this.
Ka, ka, ga, nga, cha, cha, ja, nya, ta, ta, na, pa, pa, ma, ca, za, wa.
Okay, so you have two mistakes. This and this. Rest is perfect. Okay. So what is this sound?
Ka,
Good. Now read from the top.
ka, ka, nga,
Very good. Now what is this sound?
ca,
Good. Now read.
ca, ca.
Good.
Wow.
Very good. Very good. It's not ZA because you're reading za, yeah?
Yes.
Very good sound. Okay. Very good. Next, who wants to read? Everyone will read. Come on. Alex.
All right. But we don't do, okay, I try. Ka, nga.
Yeah. Very good.
Cha, cha, nya.
Very good.
Ta, na.
Very good. Very good. Lips.
Pa, ma.
Very good.
Cha, wa.
Very good. You see, you passed. Don't be French, very shy like that. And in between.
Ka, na. Cha, cha, nya. Nya. Ta, na. Pa, ma. Sa, wa.
Okay, you have three, yeah? Okay, what is this?
Na,
No,
na.
tongue, don't touch, just keep here.
Na,
Maybe press like this. Nga.
na,
No. Yes, nga.
na,
No, I want you to press and say nga.
na,
Again.
na.
Good, now read the first.
Ka, na.
Good, now press here and read the first. Ka, nga.
Ka, na.
Very good. Next is you made mistakes here. What is this?
Cha,
Yeah, short cha. Cha.
cha,
Cha.
cha, cha.
No. Remember this and the palate.
Cha,
Okay, now read again.
cha, nya.
Good. And then this one.
tha,
What is it? What is this?
tha,
Yes, keep this, not the teeth here,
tha,
palate and teeth, both. Find the place first. Sa, then say.
tha, tha, va, va,
Okay, you can say za, it's fine. It's ha, okay? Cha,
za,
cha, not za, cha.
tha,
Okay, last one is
wa,
good. Sergey, peabo, very good, Anila.
Kaka, Kanga. Cha-cha, Chanya. Tata, Tana. Papa, Pama. Cha-cha, Chawa.
Very good. So now, once you know individually, then you learn this, okay? Kakakanga, cha-cha-chanya, tata-thana, papa-pama, cha-cha-chawa, okay? Learn individually because you see this ending is important. Once you get the sound, then you say, aha, ah. First, you say this again and again. Aha, you know, aha. You say this in English. Aha, ah. Then use this concept in the ending. Kaka, kanga. Chacha, chanya. Tata, kana. Papa, pama. Chacha, chawa. Like that. Okay? Now this you learned, rest you learn by yourself. Okay? This you learn by yourself. We learn a, okay, aha, ah. Now extension is, you see, a, I, U, E, O, ha, he, hu, e, ho, I, U, E, O, I, U, E, O, same. Then use take this, ka, then use this sound, you know, individually, you see, okay. Ka plus a, ka plus I, ki, ka plus u, ku, ka plus e, ke, ka plus o, ko. Then ka, nga plus a, nga plus I, ngi, ngu, nge, ngo. Don't lose this sound and don't lose this sound. Basically, the two sounds here, you see. Ending, what is this? This is, it's actually a vowel sound, but ending, you see, this is the ending. This is not a verbal, okay? This is not a verbal, this is not a verbal, but the verbal ends in these forms. Okay. So up to this, yeah, cha cha cha, you see, we learn up to this and plus wa somewhere here. Where is wa? Wa is here. Okay. So I'll send you this in the PDF in the group. Okay. Any questions? Hiba, you there?
Thầy vô yên.
Hiba, you there? Any questions? Okay, no questions. Then before we learn the rest, okay, we learn now, introduce a little bit on the suffix sound. Now here, wait a minute, we go back. Okay, here, these are the alphabets, yeah, Tibetan alphabet. Now suffix, we call Jinjuk, okay, Jinjuk. We have 10 Jinjuks, okay, and they are all from the feminine. You see, ka, nga, okay, tha, na, tha, ma, okay. Then we have kanga, thana, phama, a. We learn already a here, right? Then we have ra, la. So these are the suffix. Suffix means after this, there may be another letter. Okay? Another letter may come. So that is called suffix. Okay? So these are 10 suffix. Khanga, thana, hama, we already learned this. A, Okay, we learned in the for the sound. Then only new sound is ra and la. Ra and la in all the languages you have, yeah, except like Japan and Korean, they cannot say this, yeah. And ra and la confusing, yeah. And French ra is very, very difficult, you know. Tibetan ra is much, much easier than French. La, every language has, I think, la, no problem. So ra, okay. So these are the suffix. So they actually produce, you know, new sounds. So this we learn a little bit. I usually put something like this, you know. Okay, like N. You see, the vowel plus then with another letter. Okay, and like at, you see, t or d or ing or ink, you know. So you already know fa and you already know this. So fa and fan, ma and men, pa and pen, ta and ten, like that. Yeah. Ha at hat, ha ad had, like that. So mad, sad, like that. So this is same. So this is my method. Yeah. So now we learn a, e, u, e, o. We already learned this. Okay. And suffix we already know ka, nga. Okay. I actually changed down. These are easy one. Pa, ma, ra. And then na, la. This we learn later. Okay. And ha, whether there is something in at the end, it's same sound. So no worries. So we only learn today this, yeah. 30 sounds. So a plus ka becomes ak. Okay. Ak. Ak. Don't say carefully, you know. Don't say aka, aga. Not like that. It's ak. Ang. Ngai suffix. Ang. Pai suffix. Up. My suffix. Ra suffix. R. Okay. So up, ang, up, R. Okay. So yeah, Indah. Sergey,
What shall I read?
you read this, yeah?
Ak,
You already know. Yeah, ak, right? Ak, then?
ak, ang, up, ar.
Yes, very good. Okay. Maybe Sergey, you can try this, yeah. Without this, yeah.
Ik, ing, ip, im, ir.
Good. With Shabju U sound.
Uk, up, ur.
Very good. A sound.
Ek, en, ep, em, er.
Very good. Ok sound.
Ok, on, op, om, or.
You see, so it's very easy to read. Yeah, very good. Yeah, who wants? Maybe Annie Belgian?
Ak, ang, up, arm,
Mm-hmm.
ik, ing, ip, in, ir,
Mm-hmm.
uk, up, ur,
Very good.
ek, eng, ep, em, er,
Bravo.
ok, om,
No, nga.
ong, op,
Oh, on. Don't raise the tongue.
ong, op, om, or.
Bravo. You see, It's, you see, it's very easy. Okay, Sergey. Sergey done, right? Wig.
Ak, ang, up, ar. Ik, ing, ip, im, ir. Uk, ung, up, ur. Ek, eng, ep, em, er. Ok, ong, op, om, oh mein Gott, noch or.
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 Yeah. Okay, Alex.
Ak. No.
Yes, yes, very good. Ak.
Ak, an, up, ar.
Good, good. Ar. Then
Ik, in, ip, im, ir.
okay.
Uk, un,
Nga, nga.
nga,
Good.
up, ur.
Good.
Ek, eng,
Good.
ep, er.
Good.
Ok, ong, op, or.
Very good. Everyone read very well. You see, the most difficult one of this, yeah. Ang, ing, ung, ang, ong. You see, because it's a ngang, we already learned nga in the ka, 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 nga. No roll in here. It's from here, right? Root. So, ang, ing, ung, ang, ong. So if you want to read like this, ak, ik, uk, ek, ok, nga, ang, ing, ung, ang, ong, pa, up, ip, up, ep, op, ma, im, em, om, ra, ar, ir, ur, er, or. Very easy sound. So now you already know this sound. Then now use this sound. Okay. This sound with any alphabet that we learn, yeah. So if you go up, for example, ka, okay. So where should I type? Maybe I'll type somewhere here, yeah. Okay. Do you see Tibetan? Do you see or not?
No, we don't see.
Very good. Okay. We see. Okay. Where is this? Okay, now here.
Yes.
Okay, now I'll make it very big. Everybody can see, right? Okay. So we learn ka. We learn ka, right? Ka, 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 oh, ka, 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 nga. Okay. Then we learn like the ak. Okay, let's say ik, uk, ek, ok. Okay, this we just learned, right? Sound. Now individual sound. These are all individual sounds, you know. Ak, ik, uk, okay, and ek. Now here we learn these are all individual sounds. Okay, now we mix, yeah. We mix this, yeah. Ka. Okay, so ka plus ak, right? Ka plus no, ka no, ka plus ak. Ak is equal to what? What's the sound?
Kak.
Ka. So how do you write Tibetan? Ka. That's it. You see only this, yeah. Come on, ka.
Ah,
So where is the a? What happened to a?
is eaten by cow. No.
What? What happened to, you know, that's what we see, right? What we see is ka, and what here, for example, what we see is ka and ka, right? and it's not ka ka. Okay, so here what happens? A is already inside this, you know. It's like this. Ka. But as I told you, you see, A has no symbol. Okay, A has no symbol, right? You remember, everybody?
Yes.
A has no symbol. So actually it should be written like this, you know, kak. Yeah. But because A has no symbol, so it's like this, kak. Now ka plus E, then what is happened here? Now here, ka ik, kick. Okay. So we go down, we copy, mix, yeah. Okay, E. It's E, it's E here. Now if you want U, then U. No, U. Kauk, cook. Kaek, yeah. Kaek, kek. Kaok, naro, kok. So you see what you will, you see all this, you know. Kak, kek, cook. That's what you see. So when you read this, but individually you must, you see, it's like this, yeah. Ka plus ak, kak. Okay. So English you write like kak, yeah, kak. Let's say ka like this, kak. And kik is like ka ik, you know. Ka uk, maybe like this, cook, or kek, and kok. Okay, kok. So you see, in between we have vowels, yeah. So the first vowel a in Tibetan is we call inherent, and it's always there. When you say ka, we learn, right? When we say ka, there's a sound. So we say ka. Remember ka. So ka inside there's a. So this whole e is not written here, right? Yeah. Only the sound, the symbol is written. So it's very easy to read. Whenever you see two letters, then you know it's just, for example, if we change na, what is this sound? Ang. So kaang, kang, kaing, king. Okay, kaung, kung, like this. Kaeng, keng. What you see is here. Kaong, kong, like this. Okay. So now this is ka, then you change to ka. Kaang, kang. Okay, kaang, kang, ngaang, ngang, like that. So if this is a nga and this is a nga, it becomes ngang. If it is a cha, it's chang. If it's a ha, it's hang. Okay. If it's a cha, or not with cha, then chang. Okay. If it's a nya, then it's nyang. Okay. So nya plus ang, nyang. Understood? Everybody understood?
Yes, but it's a bit too fast because I don't think I can recognize what we learned today yet.
No. What I'm saying is, I'm just saying.
Yeah,
you see, use logic.
Yes,
Use logic. Okay.
very good. Yeah, I understand.
Okay, logic. Right now, you don't need to, you know, okay, I recognize it, no problem.
Okay.
What we learned here is alphabet and 5, and then 5 vowels, alphabet, and then this 20 or 25 sounds. Okay.
Yes.
Because by next week, maybe you already know. And I will repeat this all on in the group. So I'll send photo, I will send sound. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
That's it. Any questions? Otherwise, we finish the class.
maybe a strange question.
Yes.
If we think about one syllable as a whole, how you can explain that the first position is can be masculine, neutral, or feminine, but the second position only feminine?
I didn't get your question.
Sorry, I try to make it clear. If we think, if we talk as one syllable as a home with two inhabitants, how can you explain that first position can be neutral, maybe female, maybe masculine, but the second position only female?
Okay, yeah. For example, you see, oh, is it? You mean like this, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so right now we learn this, yeah? Okay, this is ka, ka. This is in the first set, ka, right? Then this is prefix, right? Because there are only 5. Don't worry about that, you know, because you only see and you learn how to read. This is pa, we learned. So this is pa and it's u, so it's a up sound. Here this is up sound. So it is a ka is gub, but ka we have also something underneath, you know. So this also we have genders. This also we have genders. And this also we have genders. So this Ningxi, we have genders of 3, masculine, feminine, masculine, neutral, feminine. And very feminine is a part of feminine, yeah? And this also we have genders, but for the pronunciation, we don't need, so I don't work on that. We also have genders on this, 10 of them. We have genders, but I also do not use it for the pronunciation, but we have genders. Okay.
So you want to say that in one home can be only one man, only one.
Yes, only one. In the whatever the main we call Mingxi in Tibetan. What we are learning is this where the sound come from. Ming is the sound. Xi means the basis of sound. Where does the sound come from? Okay, if I say chalk, oh, where's the sound? What is the main sound? It's cha, right? So that is Mingxi, we call it. So Mingxi is only 30 or we say 34, you know, 29 alphabets and then 5 consonants. So where the sound comes from. Any other questions? Don't worry, today is the first class.
Yeah. I have another question. Yes, just my question is the group already created on Telegram? Because
Yes.
maybe you see, I have already WhatsApp and Signal.
Okay.
So
I can make a WhatsApp.
I could join. Maybe it's easier for you, Alex, so you don't need to send always.
It's fine. It's the same because if we do a WhatsApp group, then I will transfer because Dr. Chuck doesn't have.
What?
It's not a problem for me. Thank you.
Signal also.
Signal, I don't have. I don't know if Dr. Chuck, you have Signal.
Knows what is Signal? I can download Signal if everybody has.
Yeah, okay. I don't have, but maybe we can use also. Signal is another one, like WhatsApp and Telegram.
Signal is the one that last time you tried?
No.
Its name is Signal, right?
Yeah, Signal.
Okay, I can download. Then you create the group, yeah. Then no problem. I can get it.
So
If it's easy for everyone, of course.
maybe you can communicate with Dr. Chuck direct.
What?
For me, it's too much to have too many too many message places. But if Dr. Chuck and Annie Paldon, Dr. Chuck, you send things in Telegram, and at the same time, do you mind to send to Annie Paldon in Signal? Or
Yeah, no problem.
so you should exchange how you can find each other.
Signal sign is this.
We cannot see.
I don't see.
Signal with a round, you know. I don't know.
I shouldn't.
So let me.
WhatsApp, you don't want to use Dr. Chuck WhatsApp?
I'm using WhatsApp. If she has WhatsApp, I can send that.
Ah,
you know.
I thought you didn't have WhatsApp.
No, I have WhatsApp. I have so many groups, you know.
So do WhatsApp, and then I can do
Yeah.
second group.
Okay. So in the Telegram, I will send and then I will forward to Anila. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so
So
much.
Anila, you write your number or send me your number through chat.
Okay.
Yeah, through direct chat, you can.
Yeah. So and now you can stop recording.
Okay.